Normalizing stupidity, lack of integrity, at kawalan ng modo online. At the end of the day kasi, kayo rin yung magkakaproblema nun. Let me give you an example. Ito talagang di ba lagi kami nakatambay dito? So ngayon yung isa dun sa community na nakatambay, nag-aano siya, scan through portfolios and resumes. And then she suddenly asked, guys, do you know this training, Eme? Kasi I got a lot of applications na galing dun sa training na yon, may cert dun, at iisa ang itsura ng portfolio at resume. Imagine niyo kahit may talent kayo, kahit may skills kayo, nagbayad pa kayo para turuan kayo, pagkatapos bibigyan kayo ng something that's generic that everyone else is using and that you guys are all applying for the same position. Paano kayo lalo makakahanap ng trabaho? Just because ibinenta sa inyo yung fact na everything is provided, including but not limited to resume, dun sa kasama na yung portfolio, tuturuan pa kayo na mag-fake ng credentials. Alam mo yung sobrang paadib-adib